Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. He is called SF70. He is not only handsome, but also very manly. He can chew 70mm metal bars. After debugging, he will soon take a truck to Shenzhen to find his owner and start his career. What is his personality? Let me tell you one by one. First, he is an innovative gearbox design. His gearbox achieves zero-gap transmission and longer life. Second, his saw blade 3-point clamping design reduces saw blade vibration and increases saw blade life. Third, his sawing and feeding are controlled by AC servo motors. Cutting is stable and feeding is accurate. Fourth, he can automatically turn the material, automatically feed, separate the residual material, and automatically remove the chips. Fifth, his brain is very smart. He has a humanized interface. Touchscreen operation, simple operation, and ordinary operators can operate it. Sixth, he has manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic operation modes. The most important point is, he has a low number of revolutions, a large amount of feed, and a good appetite. The above is his personality. He is a unicorn, mighty and powerful. I hope he can work well for his master in the Shenzhen factory. I am Beaver, a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. I have many children, and they all have special skills. I will tell you who my next baby is, what kind of personality he has, and what he can do as soon as possible.